Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana reacted to the support zone here a few days ago. Well, when we had the, let's say, the crash, Solana invalidated the triangle pattern to the upside, but the support box with the ideal target starting at $109 was tested, and we've seen a substantial bounce already from $109. Which at the moment could just be a bit of a relief rally, but obviously I'm tracking if this is already a valid reversal. I think today, tomorrow will be really important. They will be really important to determine whether we're dealing with a proper reversal or if we just go a little bit lower in wave 4. We could still, this support area still has plenty of space. At the moment, it's all about what happens here in the very short term. Anybody who's new on the channel, we have been watching for a wave 4 for many months. I was tracking it as a triangle with a direct breakout to the upside possibility. Triangle lost support, but it could still be a wave 4 as an ABC flat correction, which was the, let's say, the alternative interpretation I showed you before already. And however, to really follow this, it needed a break below $119, $120. But as per previous updates, the support zone for this, let's say, lower wave 4 was just underneath, starting around $109, $110, yeah, here at the 23.6 Fib level and the 100% extension. Where does that extension level come from? Well, if we assume that a third wave topped here in March, then this is a fourth wave. And we have a 3-wave move down in wave A. We had a 3-wave move in wave B. And the C wave would be a 5-wave move. And the A wave tends to have the same length as the C wave. Or the other way around. The C wave tends to have the same length as the A wave. Because obviously wave A is formed first. And then, yeah, it can be lower. The C wave can be longer, no problem. But it often reaches the 100% extension, and then we take it from there normally. We'll have to have a look how the market does react to pivots. Yeah, Elliott wave doesn't tell you, oh, we go there and we have to turn around, but it gives us the relevant pivots to watch, and it gives us relevant Fibonacci levels to watch, and then we watch them and determine, based on price action, whether we've bottomed or not. We just watch for reactions to these Fibonacci levels, and here we had a cluster of support around $109. The price showed a significant reaction already. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame chart, because this tells us first whether we have a valid reversal or not. I am skeptical still as long as we stay below resistance. The resistance area I shared with you yesterday was defined between $124.45 and $142.66. So this is obviously, let's say the first resistance area to watch really based on the internal structure. Doesn't mean if we break above it we have definitely bottomed, but it would be the first indication. And I've already labeled it as a possible 5-wave move up, which means, yep, we could have bottomed, but it would be clearer with one more high above resistance, and then we would get this like a proper 5-wave move, or even this, that the wave 4 is currently unfolding with one more high. I can already label it as 5-wave move, so I've labeled it already. Doesn't mean it's the cleanest 5-wave move, because if you look at this, the wave 2 is quite large compared to the internal wave 4 here. And we always need 5 waves to give us an indication that the price is bottomed. And if we get 5 waves, we can add the next set of support levels to the chart. And they are here, between $116 and $129. That means in any pullback now, whether it's shallow, whether it's deep, to maintain the idea that we could have bottomed already, the price needs to hold above $116.37. Any break below it would favor another low. Already now, I think the downside move looks a little bit incomplete, but only when we talk about the microstructure. So it's not needed to go any lower. It basically reacted to that 100% extension level. So it did what it needed to do. And if we form a higher low next, and that pullback likely hasn't started yet, but if we see that maybe today, tomorrow, and then react, and that could be our third wave rally, which would be further confirmation we've actually bottomed. That means in the short term, resistance is at $142.66. It's looking promising, but I think one more high would be ideal for a clearer 5-wave move up. That's the update about Solana at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.